Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, swipe up on the home screen, the current watch face, to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. In settings, look for the option called apps, and once you find it, tap on it, and here you can tap on app list, and then you can scroll through the list, find the app you want to uninstall, tap on it, then tap on the uninstall button, and then tap on checkmark to confirm, and the watch, or rather the app, will be uninstalled. Be aware though, not every app is removable, so some of them you won't be able to uninstall. Another way to uninstall the applications, it's quite quicker. You basically just open the app menu, so swipe up on the home screen, find the icon of the app you want to uninstall, press and hold on it, and then tap on the uninstall pop-up. Let me scroll a bit more so you can see the uninstall button. Tap on it, tap on OK, and the app will be removed, and then you can close the menu. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.